All right, welcome in everybody. Good evening. It is April 8th. Welcome again to the TCP SuperSystem you see on the screen. We got a quick video tonight, a couple of quick comments and articles on some tokenization projects, specifically HBAR and XDC. And then we got a couple of examples of the alerts that we received today. And we're going to walk through those in the super system because there's only a handful, so you can get some insight around that. And I will say before we start, this is not financial advice. The system, or the indicators, the signals, none of that is investment advice. It's educational and informational only. So please do your own research, make your own decisions. But certainly our system is or does a very good job of helping identify areas of opportunities that can help you create wealth for you and your family. So with that, we're going to shift over real quick to our, I want to say that's in our LinkedIn page. So here we go, Trim Capital Partners. And we just got a couple of quick little things here. So XDC Network is one of our tokenization plays that really not a lot of people talk about. And you can see here, they're saying XDC Network goes omni-chain with Layer 0. We're pleased to announce the successful integration of Layer 0 with XDC Network, marking a significant step forward in enabling seamless cross-chain communication with the Web3 ecosystem. It goes on to say that the integration connects the XDC network to over 125 plus Layer 0 supported blockchains, empowering developers and enterprises to build applications interacting across the networks. And again, this is going to be a big player, again, in the real world asset and tokenization space. So certainly one of our, I guess we can call it one of our sleepers. Certainly one we do have a position in for all transparency. Let's see here, and then another one down here for HBAR, another tokenization play for us. And this is a big one. This is the integration of Hedera and Chainlink to really help enhance Hedera's DeFi and RWA ecosystem. And then furthermore, again, I thought there was one more, maybe not. This is one for PayPal, expanding their U.S. cryptocurrency services, including Chainlink and Solana. Again, this is really for, I guess, those new in the space, but Chainlink connects real-world data to the blockchain, unlocking new possibilities for advanced smart contracts and DeFi solutions. This is just our opinion, but without Chainlink, you probably don't have much of an ecosystem. So certainly one that we do have a position in. We will continue to add to Chainlink, especially at these levels for our strategies and portfolio. And then again, Solana's major player there, basically swallowing everything. It's obviously famous for lightning fast transaction speeds. They've got something called Fire Dancer. You might want to take a look at that. And again, with the addition of Lincoln Sol, you can now buy, hold, sell, and transfer these tokens securely within your PayPal and Venmo wallets. So this is where we begin to see mainstream adoption, ladies and gentlemen. With that, again, told you this would be a quick video. We're going to go ahead and shift back to the super system. Again, it's free on TradingView, at least for now. 3 components: the main indicator, the hot sensor with multi-input. We've got it listed 3 times here because it's different links, so short, mid, and long term. And then the upper indicator, which is our mean reversion type data. So these all 3 together play a large role in our decision making. And all 3 are available for free. And through that Patreon link that'll be in the description, you can again get access to one-on-one attention to help, and we'll help you set this thing up just like we have it, show you the things that you can change and customize to your liking, and hopefully you can leverage this in your research efforts as we do. So I'm actually going to shift into a view that only has one of these views just because it makes the chart a little bit bigger here. So again, it's the long term versus the short term, but The rest is the same. So on the screen, you can see we did get a number of indicators today. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, eight of them to be exact. We won't go through all 8, but just a couple here. Aero is a good one that we tend to like. You can see here. Again, when you see dark green diamond and it's green, that's probably because it dropped and then came back a little bit. But you can see we did print actually a green one here back on April 6th, so 2 days ago. In that confirmed downtrend, again, everything continues to be in that extreme oversold zone. In our hot sensor, again, white, gray, blue, yellow, orange, red. So again, all this indicating we've seen some significant price action to the downside. We're starting to print these diamonds, which typically are our best opportunities to scale in. And then this thing should turn up higher here shortly, and we'll start to see things like these yellow triangles and the yellow up labels, which are our confirmed trend reversals. So as we begin to see those, you need to watch out for this one. Another one we got this afternoon or this evening at about 8:17. So about, 2 hours ago. You can see it right here. A couple diamonds printed the last few days on Near protocol, which they're doing some cool things as well. I like to take a look here. Yeah, okay, there's nothing special. Again, similar to Aero, extreme levels on the downside, red on the hot sensor. We are starting to print some other signals as well, but still, there's that confirmed downtrend in the red cloud. So maybe not just yet, but should be getting pretty close. Api3, we can skip that one. Here's one of the AI tokens that a lot of people pay attention to. This one's had a pretty bad run here since, let's see, go back to January 3rd. So pretty significant drop here. Now, granted, we are, in the red on the hot sensor. I mean, we've printed multiple dark green diamonds in a row here. Don't really see that too often, except with this one, seems like. And you can see even then on the last time, it really didn't do a whole lot. So, I'm starting to wonder if this one's a dead token. But certainly one you could watch, as there seems to be some potential opportunity here. We are actually getting some movement on the mean reversion, that red fast line here, which is the fastest, which will be more volatile. It is starting to approach that opportunity zone, so watch that one carefully, because if it penetrates through that, we could see some movement upward here. And maybe one more. Let's look at Ondo is one of our favorite ones, and this one, it looks like, I guess we got an alert today, but based on the price action, but at the close of the candle, it disappeared. So I really wouldn't be ready to make a move here, because on the hot sensor we're only in the gray, so it's not really extremely oversold here. Even though we are extremely oversold up here, we don't really have confirmation of really anything other than the fact that we're in a downtrend. So I would probably don't think we'd quite pull the trigger here on that one. But that is one of our favorite ones for tokenization as well, as they have relationships with BlackRock, of course. So again, that was pretty quick. Quick little highlight session on the SuperSystem. Again, please check it out. It's made us some extraordinary gains in a very short period of time. It's available for free for anyone on TradingView. Again, if you want that one-on-one attention, go over to Patreon, link in the description. And for $10 as well, through that Patreon, you can get access to these alerts much faster than you would see here on YouTube. We post these throughout the day, as I won't say real time, but pretty close to real time. So you'll have access much faster through the Patreon page. With that, appreciate you tuning in tonight. We'll be back tomorrow sharing these alerts and any relevant information that we come across in the market. Again, thanks for tuning in. Please like and share, subscribe, do whatever you can to help us grow. We greatly appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow.